My name is Amanda Addison and I'm an artist and author, and I run the Castle Writers monthly creative writing workshops. We've been meeting for around 3 years now, but unfortunately at the moment we're unable to meet up face to face. So I'm delighted to announce the launch of our second creative writing resource. You can download it online from the Castle Museum website. And this month's theme is portraits, and you'll be able to look at some artworks from the Castle Museum collection and use them and the writing prompts to inspire you to write creatively. We'd love to see what you get up to with your creative writing, and do share some of your work, and you can use the hashtag Norwich Castle Writers if you'd like to get back to us and share what you've been up to. So thank you and goodbye for now.